Hey everyone, Extreme Crypto here. It's Sunday night, meaning it's giveaway time. Every week in one of my videos, I pronounce what you need to do to qualify for the giveaway. This week's video was the very first video of the week. Did you watch it? Did you do what's necessary to qualify for the giveaway? Well, the video was turning $100 into $1,000. The very first video we watched this week. Well, let's see. All you needed to do was leave a comment with your BNB wallet address. Looking at the comments, no one left their BNB wallet address. But going back to my Telegram chat group, we had one person leaving their BNB wallet address shortly after the video was posted. So, no need for a random pick this week. We have a qualified winner. Pretty easy. The only one who did what was needed of all the views. Now, let's send them some BNB and make sure he gets it. And next week, make sure to watch all the videos, because in one of them, I'll tell you what to do to qualify again. If there's multiple participants, we'll do a random picker to get the winner. But if you're the only participant like this week, you're outright the winner. We've copied the wallet address and his BNB is on its way. Congratulations to this week's winner. So make sure to watch all the videos, because in one of these videos this week, there will be a way to win more crypto. And one of these days, that giveaway might go up to $500. We don't know which week yet, but there will be a week where we're gonna give away $500 to one lucky viewer. So make sure to look at it, make sure to do what's necessary, and don't miss out on a giveaway. Have fun, enjoy the crypto gains, take care.